Welcome to a space where modern design meets timeless warmth. Let these sleek black cabinets inspire your kitchen transformation, inviting you to experience elegance wrapped in cozy comfort. Step into a kitchen that whispers sophistication and style. These striking black cabinets set a welcoming tone, creating a serene backdrop for a home filled with beauty and comfort. Imagine a kitchen where bold design meets homely charm. The deep black cabinets add character, inviting you into a space that feels both contemporary and warmly familiar. Experience the enduring beauty of timeless design. These black cabinets blend classic charm with modern functionality, inviting you to create a kitchen that's both comforting and elegantly stylish. Step into simplicity redefined. The elegant black cabinets here aren't just storage, they're a statement of refined minimalism that invites calm, cozy moments in the heart of your home. Let the bold allure of these black cabinets envelop you in a space of daring elegance and warmth. Every detail is designed to inspire, making your kitchen a sanctuary of style and heartfelt comfort. In the heart of the city, discover a kitchen that blends urban edge with comforting warmth. These black cabinets serve as a chic centerpiece, inviting you to embrace a lifestyle of refined modernity and ease. Welcome to a kitchen of refined contrasts and subtle luxury. The black cabinets offer a striking foundation that invites you to relax and savor the exquisite blend of modern elegance and homely warmth. Discover a space where art meets function. These sculpted black cabinets are designed to captivate, inviting you into a kitchen that feels both artistically inspiring and wonderfully welcoming. Step into a kitchen that radiates gentle elegance and warmth. Here, The black cabinets are not just a design element, they're a gateway to a space where every meal feels like a comforting celebration. Embrace a kitchen where bold design meets serene comfort. The striking black cabinets offer a foundation of strength and style, inviting you to relax and relish the peaceful, modern vibe. Welcome to a kitchen that celebrates modern design with a touch of heartwarming charm. These black cabinets provide a sleek, stylish foundation, inviting you to make every moment in your home a joy. Imagine a kitchen where every detail sings in perfect harmony. The sleek black cabinets here set a tone of refined simplicity, inviting you to enjoy a space where style and comfort meet effortlessly. Step into modern warmth, a kitchen designed to embrace you with open arms. These black cabinets bring a touch of contemporary elegance, transforming your space into a welcoming haven of style and serenity. Welcome to your chic enclave, where modern design meets heartfelt comfort. The black cabinets here set the stage for a kitchen that feels as inviting as it is elegant, a perfect blend of style, warmth, and home.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more design and tips.